Hi everyone, my name is Miss Lydia. I am the Messy Sensory Art Coordinator here at LoveBug and Me, and we wanted to go ahead and show you one of our favorite art projects for the little ones. It is a stamping art project with all materials that can be found around the home, and it's perfect for an unexpected rainy day weekend. So follow along, and I can't wait to see what you and all your love bugs make. Some of the everyday items that I found to use for our stamping project include bottle caps, aluminum foil, some takeout forks, popsicle sticks, and sponges that I cut into different shapes. For paint, I put Tempera Paint onto some plates. That way our kiddos can really get stamping. One trick that you can use, depending on the size of your stamps, is a cupcake tray. That way it's really easy to clean up. So to get started with this project, you're just gonna give your child a blank white piece of paper, cardstock or computer paperwork, or you can even go ahead and do some drawing with markers first. That would give it a really cool underlying layer. The next thing to do is invite your little ones to explore all the everyday materials we're gonna be using today. So they can squeeze the sponge, they can twist and turn the bottle cap, they can drum with the fork. Anything that you have for them to use, let them explore the textures of it before you offer them the paint. From there, we can invite them to do some stamping. They can pick their color that they want to use, and you can demonstrate dipping it into the paint and then pressing it down onto the piece of paper. So just like this. Encourage your little one to keep on going. They can try all the different tools that you have laid out for them and see what they all do differently. One way you can help your little love bug to do this stamping project is to demonstrate down and up. So using one of their tools that you offer them, you want to get that loaded with some paint and then show them using your words, down and up, and then our kiddos really respond to that and they'll mimic your behavior. Your little one's hands might get really messy, covered in paint, and that's okay. Experimenting with the different textures of the stamping, but also the different texture of paint is very helpful for their development. And this is our finished art project. What do you think, LoveBug?
Oh, Miss Lydia, did you make that all by yourself?
I did, LoveBug, and it was so simple to create.
Oh, wow, it looks so beautiful. Look at all the colors and textures. That is so cool.
I think so too, LoveBug, and I can't wait to see what our friends at home make.
Oh, me too. Okay, friends, we'll see you next